Artificial intelligence was supposed to be humanity's greatest invention, a tool to save time, increase productivity, make life easier. But behind the smart assistants, face filters, and recommendation algorithms, there's a side of AI most people never talk about, a side that raises serious questions. Is AI replacing humans? Is it controlling opinions? And worst of all, can it be controlled anymore? Today, we uncover the dark side of artificial intelligence. Every time you like a post, search on Google, watch a video, or even pause scrolling, AI is learning not just what you do, but why you do it. AI tracks your emotions, your behavior patterns, your weaknesses. It knows when you're sad, when you're bored, when you're angry, and then it feeds you content that keeps you hooked. You're not scrolling randomly, you're being guided. Ever noticed how one video turns into 10, one reel becomes an hour, one opinion slowly becomes your belief? That's not accidental. AI algorithms are designed for engagement, not truth. They push extreme content, emotional triggers, controversial ideas. Why? Because emotion keeps you watching. AI doesn't care if content is true or false. It only cares if you react. Slowly, silently, AI shapes what you think is normal. Let's talk about jobs. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't ask for salary. AI doesn't complain. Today, AI can write articles, create music, design logos, generate videos, even replace customer support. Millions of jobs are at risk, and this time it's not just factory workers. It's writers, designers, editors, programmers, even teachers. The question is no longer, will AI take jobs? The real question is, how many will be left? Now comes the most dangerous part. AI can now clone voices, fake faces, create videos of people saying things they never said. This is called deepfake technology. A fake speech can start riots. A fake video can destroy careers. A fake voice can empty bank accounts. Soon, seeing will no longer mean believing. We are entering an era where reality itself can be edited. Here's the biggest problem. AI is not controlled by everyone. It's controlled by powerful corporations, governments, military organizations. A few companies own data of billions of people. That much power in so few hands has never existed in human history. And laws? They are years behind technology. AI is moving fast. Rules are moving slow. That gap is extremely dangerous. So what does this mean for us? AI is not evil, but unchecked AI is dangerous. The future depends on how we use it, how we regulate it, and how aware we are. Because the biggest danger of AI is not robots taking over the world, it's humans giving up control without realizing it. The question is not, can AI destroy us? The real question is, will we wake up before it's too late? If this video made you think, share it. If you believe people should know the truth, subscribe. Because in the age of artificial intelligence, awareness is power.